The photography world is buzzing with anticipation, but behind closed doors, some professionals are deeply concerned, and for good reason. The upcoming Fujifilm X-T6 might revolutionize hybrid cameras, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from APS-C sensor technology. However, one controversial feature is causing a rift in the photography community, dividing enthusiasts and professionals alike. In this comprehensive breakdown, we'll explore the rumored specifications, potential release date, and most importantly, the controversial AI-powered feature that has the industry talking. Whether you're considering upgrading from your current setup or simply curious about where camera technology is headed, this analysis will help you make an informed decision. Cutting-edge sensor technology. The 40-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor is one of the most exciting aspects of the X-T6. On the surface, it may appear to be the same sensor found in the X-T5, but insiders suggest that Fujifilm has made major advancements in dynamic range and low-light performance. If these rumors hold, we could be looking at the first APS-C sensor that truly rivals full-frame cameras in low-light conditions. This breakthrough could be a game-changer for photographers who rely on APS-C cameras for their compact form factor and affordability. A sensor that delivers exceptional detail, better noise control, and improved tonal gradation would be a massive selling point. The new X Processor 6, a simple upgrade or a revolution. At the heart of the X-T6 is the X Processor 6, which, at first glance, might seem like just another incremental upgrade. But this time, Fujifilm has taken things in a bold and controversial direction. This processor isn't just about speed. It's designed for a whole new level of artificial intelligence integration, and that's where things get complicated. Autofocus. AI-powered precision. Autofocus has long been a critical factor in professional photography, and Fujifilm appears to be making a significant leap forward. The X-T6 is rumored to feature over 500 phase detection autofocus points, but the real talking point is its new AI-powered subject recognition system. Imagine a camera that doesn't just track a bird in flight, but predicts where the bird will move next, adjusting focus before it happens. This kind of AI-driven autofocus could mean fewer missed shots and a higher keeper rate for wildlife and sports photographers. However, this raises an ethical question. Is AI making photography too easy? Some professionals argue that photography is an art that requires skill, and automating too much of the process diminishes the role of the photographer. Video capabilities. Cinematic potential. For hybrid shooters who prioritize both photography and videography, the X-T6 offers some significant improvements. 6.2K video at 30 frames per second, a major step up for content creators looking for ultra-high-resolution footage. Unlimited recording times, thanks to an advanced heat management system, which addresses one of the biggest pain points for videographers. 10-bit internal recording, a must-have feature for professionals who require greater color depth and flexibility in post-production. If these video capabilities prove to be true, the X-T6 could become a serious competitor to full-frame hybrid cameras from Sony and Canon, particularly for event and documentary filmmakers. Revolutionary stabilization system. Another standout feature is the rumored 8 stops of in-body image stabilization. This would surpass nearly every APS-C camera currently on the market, allowing photographers to shoot at extremely slow shutter speeds handheld without blur. For street photographers, travel shooters, and even those capturing handheld video, this level of stabilization could be a game changer. The most controversial feature, AI-assisted editing. This is where the X-T6 gets truly divisive. Fujifilm has reportedly developed AI-assisted editing tools for in-camera RAW processing. Unlike traditional RAW converters, this system analyzes a photographer's shooting style over time and begins to apply their editing preferences automatically. The potential upside. Faster workflow. Professionals who spend hours editing could drastically reduce post-processing time. Consistent style. The AI could help maintain a signature look across large sets of images. Computational creativity. Fujifilm's Eterna Plus film simulation allegedly adapts to lighting conditions, subject matter, and even the emotional content of an image. The major concerns. Loss of artistic control. Many photographers fear that AI-assisted editing could lead to a homogenization of photographic style. Ethical dilemmas. Is AI taking away the human element that makes photography an art? Dependence on automation. Some worry that newer photographers might rely too much on AI and not develop their own creative eyes. Computational photography meets traditional craftsmanship. Fujifilm's stance on AI integration is reminiscent of past technological advancements in photography. When autofocus was first introduced, many professionals resisted it, believing it would take away skill from photography. Yet today, it's an industry standard. Could AI-assisted editing follow the same path? The new pixel shift multi-shot mode, which creates 160-megapixel images, is another testament to Fujifilm's technological ambitions. By leveraging AI to detect and correct movement between shots, the X-T6 might eliminate the need for a tripod in many architectural and landscape photography scenarios. Battery life, a small but significant upgrade. One of the most overlooked but crucial aspects of any camera is battery life. The X-T6's new NP W235S battery is said to last 600 shots per charge, but real-world reports suggest even better longevity due to advanced power management algorithms. For professionals shooting weddings or events, longer battery life is a lifesaver. Pricing and release date. Here's where things get interesting. The rumored price for the Fujifilm X-T6 is $1,999. That's a $200 increase over the X-T5's launch price. Considering the technological leap, especially with AI integration, this pricing seems reasonable compared to full-frame competitors. The expected release date? Early to mid-2025. With Sony and Canon rumored to launch major cameras around the same time, Fujifilm's timing will be critical. Final thoughts. A glimpse into the future of photography. The Fujifilm X-T6 isn't just another iteration in the X series. It represents a fundamental shift in how technology influences photography. Whether this shift is a positive evolution or a worrying trend depends largely on how you view the role of technology in art. Will AI enhance creativity or diminish the human touch? That's the question the photography world must grapple with as we move forward.